Hello Year 6, hope you're keeping well out in this lovely sunshine, and this is now your home learning for week commencing the 29th of June. Hello Year 6, you should have your weekly timetable open in front of you as usual so that you can see what the schedule is for the week's learning. And again, as usual, we start off with Timetable Rockstars, which you will do for about 30 minutes each day. And then you'll move into maths, which is IC Maths. Again, you're all very familiar with how to access this program now. And if you watch the lesson each day and then continue the worksheet that is underneath the lesson tab to practice what you have been taught. Then we move on into your writing, which is again coming this week from Oak National Academy. Now, if you go onto the school website where you find this timetable, you will find this document here. Just make it a bit bigger for you so you can see it. Clearly marked English Home Learning week beginning the 29th of June. This week you're going to be writing an explanation text. There will be a series of lessons on the website which you will watch, and then you will at the end of the lessons work your way through to writing an explanation text, which you can submit to your class teacher via the class email at the end of the week. So going back to the timetable now, we've covered maths and writing. We now go on to our topic work. So you should be now, let me just pull this up a little bit further, you should now be well on your way with your World War II project. You should be now pulling together your presentation in whichever format that you've decided to do it in so that you could submit it to us on the 16th of July. In addition to doing that project, where we've put 2 slots in for you to do it this week, you have French to do. You will be practicing the numbers that you learned 2 weeks ago and use the reminders on the left hand side to help you write the numbers in words. There's an exercise here. Plus, there's also a school equipment word search for you to do. So you're going back over the numbers that you've already learned and you're doing a school equipment word search as well. In addition to this, we have got some cross-curricular activities for you to do on Friday. We've suggested on Friday, but you don't have to do it on Friday. Of course, you can change each one of these around. You know how to do that now. On the school website, you should find this document here. And it's the Oak National Academy Clubs. Now, during your afternoon or morning, whenever you decide that you want to do some additional work, you can go onto the Oak National Academy Clubs, and this document here tells you exactly how to do that. And once you get there, let's go through this one. Oak National Academy, as you do for English. Then you click on Take Part in our Oak National Academy Clubs. When you've done that, you want to click on All Clubs. And then there are many different clubs to choose from. If you look here, this section here, they are marked as suitable for primary or secondary. Choose from the purple ones, which are the primary focused ones. These ones here, this colour purple. Going back to the top of these instructions here, it's up to you what you decide to do. There's choice from art to PHSE, from cooking to worship. Surely there's going to be something there that you will find interesting. And back to the timetable. Finally, the last piece of work that you have to do is an art piece. And again, pulling up the PowerPoint that's on the school website, the art that you'll be doing this week is op art, which was an art movement which occurred in the 1960s. It was a time when the artist was very much interested in the idea of creating movement on a 2-dimensional surface by tricking the eye with a series of optical illusions. Here is an example of some optical illusions. I'm sure you've seen lots of those going around on the computer when you've been looking at them. So, what you need to do is go through the PowerPoint and then create your own op art at the end of the week. So year 6, that was your home learning for week commencing the 29th of June. That's all from me. Take care. Speak to you next week.